I've got a leak here. I know the pipe underneath the lateral pipe is cracked. So I'm gonna plug this off, show you how to do that. Super easy. I'm just gonna let a little bit of water soak up this dirt so it's easy to dig. Okay, I dug it out and there's the break. So to fix that, I'll go buy the parts and show you how we do it. Okay, went to Home Depot, bought these two connectors. They're just straight through connectors. And a 10-foot section of pipe, that was $2. I could buy a 2-foot section for $1.50, so now I have extra pipe. I had the glue and I had the saw. You don't have to use that kind of saw. You could do a hand saw or whatever. But here is the process. So I'm just kind of wiping these off. There is some mud and dirt in here from when it was broken. What I'm gonna do is take off the very last sprinkler head when I turn this on. That ought to push all the debris out that way. So I've got these pretty cleaned up. That one's gonna fit there. This one will fit here. And then I just need to cut a piece, maybe 2 inches. I'll measure that first. But it's that simple. Let's go ahead and clean that. We'll glue these in place, measure our next piece, and go from there. I don't know if you can see those. This one's the primer. It cleans it all up, basically. And this one is the glue. Actually, I'm gonna primer both sides just to be ready. You can spend a lot of time cleaning up the dirt off those pipes, but it doesn't have to be perfect. The glue will seal. So for the glue, let's see, maybe I'll zoom in here. For the glue, I'm just gonna put it on the inside, kind of rotate that around. When I slide that on, I'm twisting it. That makes sure that the glue gets everywhere along the pipe and seals it. Same thing here. Give it a good twist. That's set. I'm gonna close the glue. I'm gonna go grab a measuring tape and we'll measure that and see what we need to cut on this pipe. Well, of course, I cannot find my measuring tape. I just had it yesterday, so here's how you get stuff done when you can't find a measuring tape. I need it to be about that long. Okay, so it'll be a 1/2 inch in there and a 1/2 inch here. So I'm going to transpose that measurement to this pipe. And it looks like it's going to be right on the edge of that F, okay? NSF. I want this as close to that concrete as I can so it doesn't shake. There we go. Right there's good. Super simple. There's our middle piece. Might be a little bit long, we'll find out. Just cleaning it off. It doesn't have bad burrs. I think that's a little bit long. I'm gonna shorten it up and square up that cut just a little bit. Okay, that looks good. Now, we've primered the inside of these connectors. I'm gonna primer both sides of this. This will turn your fingers blue when you get it all over. They do have clear primer. It's like $1 more. And that's for like, if you have exposed pipes that you want to have look nice. Colored primer is nice so you can see where it actually is. Make sure you got everything primed that you need primed. So in doing this type of repair, here's where the magic comes in. You get a lot of glue in both sides. It goes quick. So I'm lifting this and that, setting them in, forcing it and giving it that same twist if I can, which I can't. So there's the fix. Super fast, super easy. Costs like $3. This set of glue is like $10, I think. But if you do a lot of pipe repairs or whatever, it's well worth it. Someone asked a question in one of the other videos. If you cannot get that riser out with that riser removal tool, you can do exactly this. Instead of these connectors, just put a new T in. And there you have it. Turn the water on, looks good. So now I've got to bury this with this soft dirt right here. Then I'm gonna put the black cloth over it and then I'll rake the rocks back. Got it still zoomed in, there we go. If I wanted to be fancy, I could get a new piece of black weed barrier and put over that and rake the rocks, but In the next year or two, I want to rip down this wall, get rid of this, and put in a swimming pool. That'll be a fun video. There you have it. All done. Thanks for watching.